Okay, guys, what I will learn today. First step, to solve multi-step. Okay, thank you. I don't know, baby. I'm past paper. To solve multi-step equations, that's your first thing. And your second thing I want you to do is to solve literal equations. So these are the two things I'd like to see y'all review and master today. And we're doing this on our makeup day. And this is Algebra 1, Part 1. Okay, we already covered some of vocabulary, but let's review. What? Everybody's talking, yes. So, the first words that we're going to work for vocabulary, Larry, vocabulary. You can put vocab, yeah. Is you got to know what a constant is. Then you don't, I'll show you how to do it. Coefficient. Constant, coefficient. I need to know what distributive property is. And combine like terms. Coefficient. So vocabulary that we have to know to be successful today is constant, coefficient, distributive property, and combine like terms. What, to solve multi-step equations and to solve literal equations. Now, I'm just going to give you an example because I think you know that. If I say 3x plus 6 equals 12, that is the constant. It stands alone. It does not change. Constant. It says constant. Exactly, nice. And then this one, the number in front of the variable is called the That makes sense because they cohabitate together. So, yes, with the variable. So this is the coefficient. I'm going to try not to write in cursive because I know a lot of you can't read cursive. Now, distributive property. There's two ways I want you, if I have a negative in front, to see the parentheses, you've got to make sure that you distribute this to both the x because it's inside the parentheses. The parentheses literally means you need to distribute it to everybody inside there. Now, this is like a yield sign in algebra. So this is what it's going to turn into, okay? And that'll be negative 3 times x plus negative 3 times 2 because we're going to distribute to both of these. Now, we can't do negative 3 times x. We don't know what x is. So we're just going to put them together. But we do know what negative 3 times 2 is, and that would be a negative 6. In proper math, okay, I hope everybody's got this because I'm going to zoom in for the people. Is that enough? Can you still have a No, we're good. And I'm going to see if I can focus it in a little bit more. Better? And because in proper math, we do not like double signs here. It's not the way we write things, so I would rewrite this as minus 6. That would be the exact same thing because when you add a negative, you're subtracting it. So that is called the distributive property. And this is something we should know already. Yes, it's like the drug dealer method where you go into the hood and you distribute it. Thank you for bringing that up while I'm doing this online. Appreciate. Chase, what do you need? Because I am recording a lesson. She, no idea, baby.